This is really great, the full house case. And imagine if Daniel had me. This is amazing cases. It's chrome cover. It's coming up. Okay, so we fabricated the 7-star the framework with a very tough case. Another one because look at this implant. That one is a real issue. So cannot mill any other milling machine. So what we did, and then we cut it in 2 pieces, and then we welded here. So we made the final 2 double arch cases, and also we opaque. This is the what look like. So basically we're working with the wax try-in, which is doctors they already added, and there's a beautiful wax try-in. Okay, and now I need a framework. Okay, with the markup from here. All right. Yes. Okay, now side view. The setup from here. Okay. Now these occlusions always we bring back quite a bit, which is Asian contour. And here is the implant 1, 2, 3, 4. Right?
Yeah.
The total 4 implants.
It's perfect. It doesn't catch the design.
Okay. The lower. Alright, and then upper. So we make the very thin side view finishes. So doctor said this is extremely boxer. So we made the color block from BND, and also we fabricated with the monolithic 6 unit bridge, and 3 unit. So we're not going to break anything. So this is the final. Okay, so it's finished the metal framework. So unfortunately we have to hiding implant site. And this is the basic Syton 7-star cases. After this, so now here's the lower. See the exceptional thin, exceptionally. It's really cool. I was mounting, same as the other side too. So we make a little bit panic, the huge panic, and then make the better symmetry with the pink porcelain. Anyway, top and bottom case. Okay, so after design, we fabricated the bridge work from the oven. We're going to fit this, which is the, just make sure the passive insertion. And then we're going to finish here. So here is what it look like. Okay, this is really good. Okay, the reason I made the bridge is more stronger. This is a little bit undercut, so we're going to grinding here. Okay. Okay, so now to finish the all artwork before we cementing, I would like to share with you guys. This 1-in-1, and first I made this one for a bridge because this is the tensile strength. Okay, so I want to connect all bridge. That would be great. And also this is lower. Another the point as well. Okay, so we all mount together. They will be get great aesthetics. Is not only that, I can give them a great function as well. So this is what it look like. Okay, that one. All right, I was ready to cement. Okay, so after cementations, let's finish the Syton surface star case as a minimum the vertical dimensions, which is we improved it better than old one. So it's a great part is whenever we fabricated zirconia, just like this kind of the vertical dimension, usually we do have a little bit problem about the tie base failure. Okay, so easily, and also either cracking because long span here. Okay, so that's why we made it as patient and doctors, and I choose the Syton 7-star cases and finish it with a minimum the vertical dimension, even though with long span lower, and then we make the good midline and horizontal line. They make the bleaching, but we made it custom as much as possible. But we don't follow the regular traditional shade tab, which is really ugly. So we make this better, lifelike color, which is our experience. That's why our dentist is choosing us. Okay, so finish the from here. This is the guideline, the prototypes, the improving the occlusion contact. Right, then we get rid of some of the interference here, so we finalize it, and then we give them guard too. All right, thanks for watching and supporting my channel. Appreciate that. All right.